Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this rainbow unicorn look. It was originally an entry for the Bang energy drink rainbow unicorn contest, but I figured it would still be great for Halloween. And yeah, you can definitely make it a regular unicorn by omitting the Bang logo, but if you want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. So I started off by sectioning off my hair and braiding the back, but keeping the front off to the side and braiding that around the braid, I guess to kind of act as like a little thing to hold the little braid, as if I had like a horn on the side of my head. I don't know my logic. I pinned back my hair and I'm gluing down my eyebrows, and I'm not gluing them down flat, I'm just gluing them down and powdering them to take away the darkness of my brows because they're going to be pretty light. But I wanted to use my regular brows as a guideline for drawing on my new brows. I didn't want a complete fresh start. But yeah, for the brows I'm using Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks from the Star Family collection in Diva and Diamond. And I think this one's Diva. I'm taking it first and filling in my brows like I normally would. And this is why I had my brows still, so I had the shape of them to follow to make it easier on myself. And then I'm taking Diamond and kind of adding highlights in the brow. Then I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape to prime my eyes, and I will be applying tape on the outer corners of my eyes as well because I want a really sharp line. And then I'm taking this white from this BH Cosmetics palette and setting the concealer, and then I'm going to be going in with the blue shades from the palette and applying that to the crease, winging it out and everything. I'm kind of working the darker colors closer onto the lid and inside the crease more. And then I'm taking that jade green color from the Jaclyn Hill palette and applying that, and then taking the shimmery teal mint color on my lid and blending. And then I'm just taking a foundation that's lighter than my skin tone and applying that to my face. I didn't want to be a complete whiteout unicorn. I wanted to keep it a skin color but still lighter than my skin color. Just blending it down my neck as well, and then taking the Shape Tape concealer and applying it under my eyes, down my nose, and on my lips, and then just blending it out and setting that with loose powder. And then I'm going to be making my eyes look more wide-eyed and bigger by using white eyeliner underneath my lower lash line and setting that with the white eyeshadow from the BH Cosmetics palette, and taking a shimmery pink for an inner corner highlight. Then I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner, and I'm going to be drawing that underneath as well to kind of create a new lower lash line, as well as a little triangle on the inner corner. Then I'm taking bright pinks from this BH Cosmetics blush palette and applying the blush to my face. And I'm taking the Kat Von D Alchemist palette and then using those shades for highlight. And then I'm going back in with the blues we used on the eyes, but I'm sticking more to just the darker blues, and I'm applying that as like a contour and to give my face more of a unicorn shape. And contouring my nose, and then using that blue shadow as well to draw on my unicorn nose. And then I'm going to be taking a black lip liner and lining my upper lip and extending it out in the corners a little bit, and then filling it in with black liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star. And then I'm taking the colors from my eyebrows and applying that to my lower lip and mixing those colors together. And then taking the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, I'm just going to be setting and adding some holographic shimmer to my lips. And then using a white liquid eyeliner, I'm drawing C shapes over the original liquid liner I had, just to make it look like a unicorn horn. And then I'm applying these lashes from Ardell that have little gems on it because, you know, unicorn, sparkles, rhinestones. Yeah. So I did that for the top lash line, and then for the lower lash line that I drew on, I'm just adding these outer corner lashes. And then I'm taking this face paint palette from Mayron, spraying it with water because they are water activated paints, and just stippling the pinks and the reds around my chest. And then, yeah, I'll be taking a bigger brush and going in with the blue shades And then you're pretty much just going to go back and forth between the pinks, the blues, and the purples, and blending that all over your chest. And you can leave it here and then skip to the last part where I add the rhinestones. But if you want to add the Bang logo for some reason, if you really enjoy their energy drinks and you want to just be a Bang rainbow unicorn, then I just looked at the logo and I took some water first and I used that to pretty much erase the face paint I didn't want. And then I went over with white face paint and then shaded based off the logo with pink and purple. And you can use the paint or the eyeshadow. You can do this whole look with eyeshadow if you don't have any paint, so that works really well too. And then I went over the white Bang logo parts just to brighten it up a little bit. And then I'm taking pink and purple and pretty much all those colors again in my hair because girl didn't have any hairspray. And add these little gems to the middle of my lower lip, the outer corners of my mouth, as well as the inner corners of my eyes. And that's it, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, as well as turn on the little bell notification, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I'm corruption. I just noticed that you seemed a little down. Just sign right here on this line and I can change your life.